Section 7.2, Example 3 on page 444, we have a postulate or axiom is an accepted statement or fact. Postulates, like undefined terms, are basic building blocks of the logical system in geometry. You will use logical reasoning to prove general concepts in this book. You've used some of the following geometry postulates in algebra. For example, you used postulate 1 when you graphed equations such as y equals 2x plus 8. You graphed 2 points and drew a line through the points. Postulate 1 says, through any 2 points, there is exactly one line. Line T passes through points A and B. Line T is the only line that passes through both points. When you have 2 or more geometric figures, their intersection is the set of all points the figures have in common. In algebra, one way to solve a system of 2 equations is to graph them. The graphs of the 2 lines, y equals negative 2x plus 8 and y equals 3x minus 7, intersect in a single point, 3, 2. So here we can see y equals 3x minus 7 and y equals negative 2x plus 8 and their intersection at the point 3, 2. So the solution is 3, 2. This illustrates postulate 2. On page 444 and 445, we have postulates 2 and 3. Postulate 2 says if 2 distinct lines intersect, then they intersect in exactly one point. Line AE and line DB intersect in point C. So here's AE, here's DB. They intersect right here at point C. There's a similar postulate about the intersection of planes. If 2 distinct planes intersect, then they intersect in exactly one line. Plane RST and plane WST intersect in line ST. Plane RST is the light plane and plane WST is the darker plane, and you can see the intersection occurs right here on this line ST. When you know 2 points that 2 planes have in common, postulates 1 and 3 tell you that the line through those points is the intersection of the planes. Example 3 says each surface of the box shown represents part of a plane. What is the intersection of plane ADC and plane BFG? I have started by highlighting plane ADC in pink, which is the plane up at the top, and plane BFG is on the right-hand side, which I have highlighted in green. We are looking for the intersection of these 2 planes, which we can see occurs up in this corner. We can see that these 2 planes have the points B and C in common, meaning their intersection will be the line through B and C, or line BC. The work for this problem is written out on the next 2 slides. And now I would like you to try number 5 on page 445. Use the figure at the right for exercises 5 and 6. Name the intersection of planes QRS and RSW.